MotorcycleDen, and we're heading up to Milwaukee, Wisconsin. We're going to do the Harley tour and factory and go to the museum and stop at some parks up there.
Lighthouse. Oh, see the train?
Yeah. So we are heading through Chicago, and believe me, I thought about going around, but it showed this to be the fastest way, even though traffic was a little slow. So, man, this is
a whole new meaning, don't it?
This is yeah. We knew it was going to be a little slow. It's not too bad though. It's moving at least. Better than what we was in just a little bit ago. Man, look at the pollution. Look how smoggy the air looks. It just looks like there's a haze up there, see it?
Yeah, where you can't even see the city.
Wow. Well, once we get through this traffic, or up a little further, we'll get back with you guys. Alright, well, we're still heading towards Chicago. And there is a, I don't know, subway, train, tram. Not sure what it is. But
faster than us.
Yeah. Well, we're still heading through Chicago. A little bigger than what I thought it was.
In half a mile, keep right.
Is it kind of creepy?
What's that?
Kind of creepy to hear.
We finally made it up here to the Harley Davidson plant. I guess this is where we need to be.
Yeah.
And we are going to take a tour, which you can't have cameras or anything, which is understandable. See how they make the Milwaukee 8. Wish I could film it for you guys and show you, but we can't do that. So let's see, tour center left. Go ahead, babe. Okay, well, there we are. Harley Davidson Motor Company Tour Center. There we go. Let's see what it's like. We enjoy it, I'm sure we will. Alright guys, we just finished the Harley Powertrain factory tour. It was the steel boot. Yeah, steel toe.
Steel boot.
Yeah, steel toe.
Oh, steel toe tour.
Yep, and it was great. It was 2 hours, probably about 2 hours, I think.
Yeah.
Couldn't take any pictures or video in it for obvious reasons, but it was great. It was interesting.
The tour guide was very knowledgeable.
Yes. And you know, it's $38, at least when we went through it, and but it was worth it. You know, you get a $5 off coupon to spend at the gift shop, and honestly, they got shirts and different odd end things, and they're cheaper than the dealership. So I was expecting the price to be a little higher, but it was neat to see how, I mean, you know, they had a lot of stuff about the new Milwaukee 8 motors that we got to see, you know, and how they assemble them and everything. I'm surprised at how much stuff they actually made there, really, you know. So.
And how the assembly line worked, and then the guy ruined it because I'd always say the Harley wubba wubba sound, and he said it was potato potato potato. The engine sound.
Well, you know, I mean,
there it is. Right here.
So yeah, we're gonna go grab a bite to eat.
We're starving.
Oh yeah, we haven't eaten since I don't know,
7:15 breakfast.
and it's almost 3 o'clock now. But yeah, it was good. I mean, you know, it was
worth it, I thought.
It was something neat to see.
Oh yeah, there it is.
And you know, they have the one up in Pennsylvania that shows the touring bikes and stuff, which I would love to see since we have one.
Mm-hmm. And we got a cool high visibility vest.
Oh yeah, you get to keep your vest, and you get
and a picture,
a photo, and I'm gonna pull all the way through.
And a pin. Is that all we got? The pictures of the whole group.
Yeah, you're standing behind a couple of motors and stuff, so.
Yeah. It was neat. I'd do it. I think it was worth the money.
Yeah, it was. It was cool. I like it. And, we're gonna go to the museum tomorrow, so that should be. I'm excited about that. That should really be neat. And
you get to sit on stuff there, don't you?
Yeah. They have some bikes.
They let you touch stuff in a tour there. You got to see and touch, you know, the flywheel and.
Yeah, there was a lot of hands-on. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
camshafts and all that. They showing how they make a lot of that stuff. The crankcase and all. I mean, machining of a lot of that parts and stuff. It's interesting.
What's the V thing that we held? Kind of like a wrench.
All the push rods.
Yeah, that were kind of neat.
Yeah, it was cool. So we're gonna go grab a bite to eat here at Chick-fil-A, and we'll be back with you shortly. We're in Madison, Wisconsin. And, heading to our room for the night. It's Comfort Suites, I think. You know you're
Comfort Suites.
Where?
Is that it? We passed it?
Yep. I didn't even see it. You know you're in the middle, you're out in country whenever there's a cornfield right in the middle of the city. This is our hotel for the night. We'll go check into our room and see you guys in a bit. So here is our hotel room. Not too bad. Say hi, everybody in YouTube land. You're in there.